Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component and the last one from this universal joint, and it will be this one, the driver. This one will just make it by making some changing to the last component, the base, and it's going to look like this. And to do this, first let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, is okay. Actually, we don't have to do this. Sorry about this. We'll have to open the last part, the base. Okay, and now to change it and to make sure that we don't change the actual part, let's save it. Save as, and we'll select here, save as a copy and continue. And we'll give a different name. Alright, and now to make sure that we are changing the correct part, let's open it again. And let's open this last part we just saved. Alright, and now we can start making the actual part. First we'll have to open a new sketch on this face. And here we'll select this outer edge and we'll select convert entities command. And now we'll go to features and we'll use extruded cut. And here the depth will be 9 millimeters. Press OK. And now the next thing, we'll select this face and we'll open another sketch. And here let's select circle. We'll make a circle like this and then select one of these points in the corner with this circle and select here coincident. And now go to features, use extruded boss base command. And here instead of blind, we'll select up to surface. We'll have to select this face and press OK. Alright, now let's save this. Okay, and now we'll have to open a sketch on this face. And here we'll start with a center rectangle. We'll make a rectangle like this, select these two lines and make them equal. And now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension to one of them. It will be 12.62. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command. And here we'll select blind and the length will be 17.80. Press OK. Alright, and now we'll have to open another sketch in the right plane. And here select 3-point arc. And we'll make an arc starting from this edge till this edge. Make it like this. And now smart dimension, let's define this. First, between these 2 points will be 6 millimeters. And then from this edge to this middle point here will be 1.35. And now from this center point to this edge here will be 7.6. And now this is almost finished. Select line and let's close this sketch. Now we'll go to features and we'll use Revolved boss base command and we'll select this line as axis of revolution. Press OK. This is looking good. I'll have to open another sketch also in the right plane. And select line and let's make a triangle. Just like this. And now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension from this point to this center point. Here will be 5.7. And the angle between these two will be 45. And the angle for this will be 8. Now select center line and let's make a center line right here. Now go to features and use revolved cut. And this center line is helping us to cut this triangle around this part. and this should be selected right here. Press OK. This is looking good. Now select chamfer, and the dimension here will be 1.25, 45 degrees, and let's select this for edges right here. Press OK, and now let's select fillet. The first radius will be 0.25. Let's select one of these lines and then let's see which one. Select this one, right feature. And we have 14 edges, but we only need 13. So click on this one to unselect it. Alright, now press OK. Now select fillet again. This time the radius will be 1.25. We'll select this edge and press OK. And now this one should be finished. Now don't forget to save it. And this was the tutorial for today. I hope to see you in the next one where we're gonna make the assembly. Thank you for watching and see you.